Welcome to 9 Highman Street in South Guildford. Let's have a look. Plenty of parking at the front here. Wide street frontage, garage, carport in there. Stepping inside, you've got a lounge room, big windows, big spaces, gas bayonet there as well. Through to the kitchen. Freestanding gas cooktop. Your ducted controls are over there on the wall. Through to the laundry. You could set up potentially a scullery in here quite easily. It's a nice layout there. Bedroom number 1, just here. Some aircon controls. Toilet. And a bathroom with a separate shower and bath. This is the master bedroom here, definitely the largest. View of the grass. Large built-in robe. Bedroom number 3 here. Around the same size as the other secondary bedroom. Let's go through to the backyard. This is a brick carport enclosed, and stepping out the backyard, got a pool. Fold out clothesline and an in-ground pool. Nice little patio. Through to a garden shed. Here's the side. Double PowerPoint there. Fantastic. Well, that is 9 Highman Street in South Guildford. Thanks for stopping by.